Statistics, BCom, SEM 5, BBA, SEM 3, Chapter Correlation, Method number 8, Carl Pearson's method. In the Carl Pearson's method, we are discuss about the bivariate method. All of you know, in the bivariate method, there are given two row and two columns, x and y. So, in the bivariate method, you are calculate a different formula. Like that the formula, again I repeat the formula, R is equal to n sigma FUV minus sigma UFU sigma VFV upon under root n sigma U square FU minus sigma UFU whole square. And in the second under root n sigma V square FV minus sigma VFV whole square. So, students, remember this formula for the calculation of bivariate method. In the bivariate method, we are using this formula. Here we are using n sigma FUV. In the Carl Pearson method, one time we are using n sigma UV method. But in the UV method, here only sigma U and sigma V, but we are joined here FU and FV also. And in this type of question, again, we are calculate one question. Suppose in the x, four class given in the x, and suppose in the y, suppose x and y. Here in the x, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40 given. And in the y, here only for 3 class given, 0 to 50, 50 to 100 and 100 to 150. It is called for bivariate table, because in the bivariate table gives two information, x and y. Frequency given 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 3 and 2. These questions given in the paper, first of all, you are easily understood this question is related to bivariate method, because here the given information x and y in the table format is a dual table, so it is called for bivariate method. Suppose first you decide that this question is bivariate method, and the formula you remember bivariate method. First of all, you decide how many column and how many rows are draw for the answer. In the x, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 classes for the given, and we are added 7 number. 7 number is the fixed number. So 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. So you are draw 11 column. You are draw for the 11 column. And in the y, here the class 1, 2 and 3 So 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. It means you are do a 10 row for the y. It is a column and it is called for row. Okay, so first of all you decided 11 by 10's table. Either 11 by 10 you are draw 11 by 11 table also, so not any problem, any row or any column. So first we are draw about the 11 by 10's table. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So here 11's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So our table is ready to 11 by 11. Okay. First of all, we are start from here. Answer. Our answer is prepared by 11 by 11 table. Here write x and y, and first box always left, both side, in the x side and in the y side, both side we are left first box. After that you write the question here in the x class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40, and in the y class 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150. Okay, so here we write 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40, and here we write 0 to 50, 50 to 100 and 100 to 150. Okay, after writing the class we write here the mid value. All of you know mid value. Mid value is equal to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. For example, first class 0 to 10. So lower limit is 0, upper limit is equal to 10 divided by 2. So your answer is 5. 0 plus 10, 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. So here mid value 5. 10 to 20. In the class 10 to 20, total is 30. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 divided by 2, your answer is 15. 20, 30. 20, 30 means 30 plus 20, 50. 50 divided by 2, your answer is 25. Last 30, 40. 30 plus 40, 70. 70 divided by 2, your answer is 35. You remember for the shortcut, class difference will be same. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. Class difference is 10. Then first mid value you find for this formula. Then after you add 10, 10, 10. 5 plus 10, 15. 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 10, 35. So you are at the same difference you give, you are receiving the mid value easily by shortcut method. In the y, 0 to 50. So 0 plus 50, 50 divided by 2. So your answer is 25. Now we are using here the shortcut method. The class difference is 50. 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150. It means your class difference is 50. So 25 plus 50, your mid value is 75. You check it. This class mid value is 75. 50 plus 100, 150. 150 divided by 2. So your answer is 75. Okay. And here plus 50. So your answer is 125. After write mid value, you draw a box for here. You have draw a box. In the box, there are we writing two value. One is frequency and another is in the calculation of FUV. So first value we write here in the frequency. We are using a pencil or a black ball pen. So in the box there are the different two figures are easily we are shown in the two figures. In the first column 2, 3 and 1. So here we write 2, 3 and 1. Okay. Now in the second column 3, 4, 2. So here we write 3, 4 and 2. After that the third column 2, 2, 2. So here we write 2, 2, 2. And in the last column 1, 3, 2. So here we write 1, 3 and 2. Okay. After writing frequency, you are write the name of the column, here the X. So here we write FU, U, UFU, U square FU and FUV. Okay. And here the Y. So here we write FV, V, VFV, V square FV and FUV. Okay. So you have check it. We are using the 11 column. 11 column we are using. But we are not using 11 row because only 10 rows are required. Here the 10. Here the figure is 10. So we are using the 10 row only. One row extra we are draw because 11 by 11 table. આપણે 11 by 11 ટેબલ ડ્રો કર્યું હતું એટલે એક રો વધારે આવશે. જો તમને પરફેક્ટ ખબર પડી જાય કે આમાં 10 રોની જરૂર છે તો તમે 10 રો પણ પરફેક્ટ ડ્રો કરી શકો. અહીંયા આપણે કંઈ ડ્રો કરવાની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ હતી જ નહીં રોની, પણ રો તો એમને આપેલી જ હોય છે એટલે આપણે 10 રો જ યુઝ કરશું. આફ્ટર ધેટ you have the total of frequency 2, 3, 2, 1, 8. It is called for FV. Okay. Next 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3, 12. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 7. And this total it's called for N. 8 plus 12, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. Now 6, 9, 6 and 6. 6 is 18, 18 plus 9, 27. Now important point is U. Here the class difference will be same. So we are using shortcut method. Smallest mid value is 5. So here we write 0. Then after 1, 2, 3. We are using this shortcut only when class difference will be same. One thing is remember students, class difference will be same, then we are using shortcut 0, 1, 2, 3. આ ત્યારે જ યુઝ કરી શકાય જો ક્લાસ ડિફરન્સ સેમ હોય તો જ તમે એવું કરી શકો કે મિડ વેલ્યુ સ્મોલ હોય એની સામે 0 લખો ધેન 1 and 2. ઓકે. ધેન આફ્ટર મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન 6 into 0, 0, 9 1s are 9, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 8 0 0, 12 1s are 12, 7 2s are 14. It means multiplication both column. Next U square FU. U square FU it means this multiplication of these two column U and U FU. 0 into 0 0, 9 1s are 9, 12 2s are 24, 18 3s are 54. 0 into 0 0, 12 1s are 12, 14 2s are 28. Now the total of both the column UFU, 9 plus 12 plus 18 means 39 sigma UFU. Then 9 plus 24 plus 54, so 87 sigma u square fu. Total of here 26 sigma VFV and 40 sigma V square FV. After that, important column FUV. FUV means this is the F, U and V. Suppose V here 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3 into 0, 0, 1 into 2, 2 into 0, 0. ત્રણ વેલ્યુનું મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. સપોઝ હું અહીં હાથ રાખું છું 3, તો 3 into 0 into 1, આન્સર 0. 4 into 1 into 1, 4. 2 into 2 into 1, answer 4. Then 2 into 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 1 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. 1 into 0 into 3, 0. 3 into 1, 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Now the total of this value 0, 8, 12, 21, and total we write in the last column 12 plus 8, 20, 41 sigma FUV 41. Similarly, total write in here row 0, 17, 24. Similarly, total 17 plus 24, 41. Okay. After that, you are calculate the formula n sigma FUV minus sigma UFU sigma VFV upon under root n sigma U square FU sigma UFU whole square, second under root n sigma V square FV minus sigma VFV whole square. Putting the value n is equal to 27, sigma FUV means 41 minus sigma UFU means total of UFU 39, sigma VFV means 26 upon under root n means 27, sigma U square FU means 87 minus 39 whole square. N means 27, sigma V square FV means 40 minus sigma VFV means 26 whole square. After that, 27 into 41, so your answer is 1107 minus 39 into 26, your answer is 1014 upon under root 27 into 87. So 2349 minus 39 square. So 39 into square 1521. Second under root 27 into 4040. So 1080 minus 26 square 676. Next step 1107 minus 1014, so answer is 93 upon under root 2349 minus 1521 828, second under root 1080 minus 676, so 404. After that 93 upon here 828 into 404, so your answer, and under root of this answer, suppose we write first answer 334512. After this step, under root this value 578.37, and finally answer 93 divided by 578.37, 0.16. This answer is right because this answer is always lie between -1 to +1.